In this video, we will show the interactions you can do within MxAsset, which is A3J Group's mobile application for equipment operations for IBM Maximo.
From the menu option in the upper left, we have a few different actions that we can take on this asset. If I click Edit Asset, it gives me the ability to edit the information that you see on the screen here. Please keep in mind that the information you see here is configurable. Can update the description, say update asset, and you can see that the description has been updated to include the word test. Next, we have the ability to create a work order. So if I walk up to an asset, I can scan its barcode and say, okay, I want to create a new work order. We're going to say pump is leaking. And you can also use the voice to text option here that comes with the mobile operating system's keyboard. Next, I'll choose a work type from our value list. Say next step, get a summary page, and then we can create a work order.
Thanks for watching this video on A3J Group's MxAsset from the MX Mobile suite of apps. For more information, you can go to our website at a3jgroup.com or connect with us on LinkedIn or Twitter. For inquiries, email info@a3jgroup.com or give us a call at 877-235-4774.